content. Whistler! Shit, I need to change my... look at my...
What's that?
From my cracked screen. It's okay, yeah, there's a car in front of us. We don't even know if we're going to the right place right now. We don't know what to do right now.
Well, these guys are out of the car already, so I guess we'll just get out of the car.
There's literally no instruction right now. I don't go well without instruction. Can confirm I already feel not good on here. I get a little bit seasick, so yeah, this should be fun. Just very nice.
What's that?
Oh, damn. I probably will when I... Smile. Sounds... Yeah, boy.
Wow. Wow. Well, I use my hair as a background.
You swimming in one of these holes later? Maybe I'll say it's a bit cold. Shit. Bye. Guys, I just had the best spa bath and shower of my life. We are staying at like this cute little cabin. I don't know how to pronounce where we're at, but it's like a beautiful little town near Tofino. So we've had like quite a big day of like driving and just, we woke up really, really early as you saw. So we got here around 4 and have just been chilling and embracing the relaxing lifestyle of the island. But yeah, it's been so lovely. Where we are is like directly near some trail. I can't remember. There's so many trails that I've been looking up. So we're going to go for a little, just a little walk around, nothing too crazy, just to explore while we're still here, because we're going to have to leave early tomorrow because we have a lot planned, which is awesome. But I just wanted to show you guys that I'm just really enjoying the serenity. And I've kind of been like off grid, like trying not to reply, although of course like so many things going on, but it's fine. I'm just like trying to ignore it and really embrace the relaxing lifestyle that we've got going on at the moment. So many little crabs.
I'm making her coffee. Oh, it's my bad. say that we're walking over there? She was like,
Yeah, I know. Coming down? Is my vagina? You can do it. I believe in you.
yeah, my daughter's going with it. I just keep building up. Babies.
I think that was.
Oh.
Cinematic. What are you? Everyone must think you're so mad all the time. I look so mad.